What's up, everybody? It's me, Barry P. I'm here at Family Fun RV Center, beautiful Portland, Oregon. I am at our 333 Southeast 82nd Avenue location. We also have another location, Columbia Avenue, two family-owned locations to help you get campy. Today I am in the Forest River Sonoma 167BH. What a cute little trailer. Sleeps four. Perfect for a family just starting out camping. Maybe a set of grandparents that have a couple of grandchildren. Perfect, half-ton towable, amazing little trailer with such high quality and a lot of features just packed into a very small package. 2-inch walls, great insulation, winterized, ready to rock and roll. Folks, come on down and see us at Family Fun RV. Nobody's going to beat our prices on these little 167 BHs. Enjoy. Come see us.
Lord, I'm bound to ride that northbound train come summer when them southbound winds wave from their autumn slumber. Go ahead and try to blow me down. I'm bound to stretch these caged up wings.